Welcome back, everybody, to Vintage Vagabond Bens. So, Vens, not Bens. So, we are on the second unboxing of Home, Kitchen, and Decor from 888 Lots. Now, remember, if you guys have never ordered from 888 Lots, the first order you get is 50% off. Afterwards, if you purchase from them again on the lots, they will negotiate the prices with you. So, great place to purchase from. So here, if you guys don't remember, the MSRP on the 4 boxes was $3,678.61. Paid $444. So it's $111 per box. So we're going to get box number 3 opened. Are you excited? Because I am. Let's see. I'm hoping for some bamboo sheets. We did get the bamboo mattress cover. So see what we get this time around. And remember, we're trying to shoot for that 200 subscriber mark. We're getting close. We're going to do that first giveaway once we hit the 200 subscribers. And we'd like to start doing some live sales as well, but we definitely want to get some more subscribers so that way you guys can watch us live. And if there's anything you're interested in, then you'll be able to get it right away instead of, waiting for on the website. Which our websites, our email address, that's all listed below. Oh, what do we got here? So we got a box full. All right, so here we have Windy Hill Collection. Looks like a Santa Claus. Very cute, just in time because that's really not that far away. Oh my gosh. But he's cute. He's got his little bag of toys. Gifts. So that's from Windy Hill Collection. Ooh. Has anybody before made their own ice cream? I have not, but I think I may try that with my son. I think he would enjoy it. What do you think? Let me know below. So here we have an ice cream maker. Very cool. I wouldn't mind taking this home and trying this out because I think in school, God, if I can remember, they had us make it, but we had to do it in the little Ziploc bags and keep going like this. So that's probably makes it really good. So let me know your thoughts on that if you've made it before. Oh, this would match my stockings. So here we have an embroidered stocking. Christmas stocking, very cute. You got a puppy, a teddy bear, some presents in the Christmas tree. Very cute. Just in time. I know Halloween is right around the corner, but it's not too early to shop for Christmas. I pretty much start this month because I hate having to wait till last minute. I am not a last minute shopper because it's not worth it. So I gotta smell this, I'm sorry. But I gotta smell candles. So here we have a coconut's my favorite. Coconut White Sands. I use coconut in my, this is a plastic cover so I can't smell. Oh, yes I can. Oh, smell that one. I'm gonna have my mom smell it. Makes you want a pina colada. If
and
like
vacation.
Beach. Oh, I do not own the rights to that song. Just wanted to sing it. So here, what is this? Oh, it is a toothbrush holder with toothpaste holder. I cannot read the language. But yes, it is a well, you can see it better here. So you have the toothbrush holder, and it looks like it does have a cover over it as well. So that way you don't have to worry about germs. And then you have the little toothpaste holders as well. So that's pretty cool. And it looks like you actually put your toothbrush right in the hole, and you can squeeze it to get toothpaste on it. That's pretty nifty. Why don't we have one of those around here? I've never seen these. Let me know if you've used one of those before, and then it looks like we have another one. That's pretty nifty. I like that. It's a cool idea. Oh, so we have a glue gun, black iron, and you got the little glue sticks with it. Glue gun. I could have used one of those the other day with Jacob's homework that he had. It looks like this is, oh, it's an ink cartridge. So ink post, high capacity, dual compatibility. So it is a replacement ink cartridge. Okay. Tool solution 2-pack cord, wood, glass, leather. I have no idea. So we're going to go ahead and open this, but I'm going to open it this way so I don't. Oh, we got. So here we have cordless engraver pen. Oh, that's pretty cool. Looks like you can do it on metal, plastic, wood, and glass. So if you want to engrave that. And it's, oh, it has the 2 AA batteries included. So there's 2 of these. That's pretty cool. That way you know it's yours. Put your name on it. All right. Oh, more boxes. All right. Gift wedding guest book. Oh, that's a little guest book. But it looks like it has little, what are those? To like kind of close it up and lock it. All right, we're gonna have to open this. Oh, and it looks like it's made of leather. So you have Precious Moment. So it's a little guest book. And you can see that it had those. A little binder, so you can put those right on the edge. For a guest book, that's pretty cool.
The other side.
And it's got a little heart. Forever memory. I'm excited. I am going to a wedding this weekend, so that's a cute little book. That would be a good gift idea, too. Just in addition. Obviously, they've already gotten their gifts, but one of my favorites. And I got to pull this up, so you got a beautiful dream catcher. It's really pretty, nice colors, feathers. It's got a little rose. It's really cute. So here we have some Eureka vacuum bags. It's a 3-pack for Model T. What is this? So this is a snap folding, how do you pronounce that? Catchel? C-A-T-C-H-A-L. Catchel storage tray. It's a little storage tray. Foldable. Oh. So you have a First Communion resin tabletop cross. 5 1/4 inch height. So we have some merchandise bags. So, you know, you have your little, if you're selling anything, you can put your little merchandise in there when people come to pick it up. And it looks like there's 200 purple and pink glossy. Purple and pink, very cute. I know a lot of friends that could use those with their, you know, little things that they do sell on the side. Oh boy. Sin Tumbler Refresh. So this is really bubble wrapped up. I'm going to try to get that out. Oh boy. 888 Lots, thank you for packaging very well. Because I got to try to get this open to show everybody what's... Holy moly. All right, I'm going to have to cut the bubble wrap. Oh boy. Don't laugh, it's not funny. I don't want to cut the cord. All right. I'm going to have to come back to this one. It doesn't want you to see what's inside. It's a surprise. It's a surprise to me. Oh. But it is, what are we on again? Oh my gosh, home and kitchen decor. I have to keep looking because it's kind of like a variety. Obviously home and kitchen. It looks like it's glass. Oh, well, no wonder why it's bubble wrapped really well. Oh my gosh. Oh, sorry this is taking so long. But they really don't want this to... So we have a glass in here.
Glass.
It's just a plain glass that I can't get out. So we're going to move on. But yes, it just looks like it is, yeah, just a plain glass. We'll get that open up later and see if there's anything special. But that took all my muscles. More bubble wrap. Okay, so these are candles. I can see a little bit, but I can't see. Hopefully we can get this one open much quicker. So there's 2 of these. I need to start working out more. So these are brass plated base from what I can see in these boxes. Oh, that's why it's stuck. It's like taped to the box. All right, finally. Electric with on and off switch, 7-watt bulb included. So it's electric candle lamp. Lamp. All right, so that's what we got. We got 2 of those. I'm moving on. Man, oh man. Oh, these are pretty colors. So these are some tablecloths. Placemats. So you have, they're like a silverish color, but it's 4-pack. Those are really pretty. Looks like we do have some more of those. So there's 3 more packages of 4 of the silver plate. I'm done. That box, like trying to open that cup just kind of killed me. Oh, I feel like a little Elvis guy here. Oh, what do we got? We got some Elvis. So we got some ornaments. So here we have a little purple sparkly Elvis. Interesting. He's purple. Oh, and like the... Oh, he's missing an arm. Not cool. He needs his arm. Let's make sure that... Okay, the other one's got his legs and his arms. So we're good there. But this one, his arm's in the bag. But yeah, he's missing an arm, so he's a no-go. All right, so we got a blue one. He's got his legs and arms and hands and head. Blue sparkly. Oh, he is, I see a little something. I think that was from the other one. Oh yeah, the other one was missing his microphone. So this one has all his pieces. So he's got his arms, legs, feet, head. So just the one is no good. Unless you want one for Halloween that's missing pieces and his microphone. You never know. All right, so that one's no good. Put him on off to the side. Oh, professional oil color. So what is this? Rose, like oil, smooth, buttery, adhesive.
Paint.
Huh?
Paint.
Paint. So we got an oil color and it's rose paint. So this is a template software with bonus guest list. So this is
Invitation and note card kit.
yes. Thank you, Mom. It's all surprise to me. I never know.
I just read it.
Yeah. Well, your eyes are better than mine right now. So here we have is 2 of these Love is Born keepsake ornaments. Very cute. Oh, looks like we have 1 more of those. This box is some more ornaments. If I can make the sound, I would, but we have a Christmas tree ornament, Chewbacca, Star Wars, and this is a Disney keepsake ornament. But I am not making that sound, so. Oh, we got some more Elvises. So it looks like a whole nother, I'm not going to open these. We'll check them and see if they have their arms and legs. But some more ornaments. I do see a little broken something on the bottom, so one of them is missing something, it looks like. But that's a shame because those are really cute. So here we have more First Communion resin tabletop cross. 2 of them. I think, oh no, yep. So we have 3 total. This looks like a little puzzle piece. So this is a little violin part. So it is a little puzzle piece. I'll just pull out one of these so you can kind of see. So it's a 5-piece set. Little puzzle.
I think they're for violins.
Oh, violin. Okay. Well, I don't know everything. Yes, they are for violins. Sorry, I've never played the violin. Actually, you know, if you guys want to know something, when I was in school, I actually played the trombone. Wait, was it the trombone? No. It was the big thing. What the heck was it? No, I did play the trombone. The trombone, and I also played the French horn. Yeah, long time ago. Let me know what you guys have played before. You know, when you were younger, or if you play now. Oh boy, I'm opening this upside down, kind of like the shoe unboxing. So this is create your stylish bathroom smile from now on. So let's see what we got in here. Oh, those are cute. So it's got like a little soap dispenser, so you can. This is really cute. So different pieces. You got your soap dish bowl. I think that goes with that. Very cute. It's kind of like a greenish color at the bottom. That's very nice. All right, let's see what else. So we got some more ink cartridge refill. And last one in the box. So what is this? Place your cushion upside down, hard surface. Cush. So it looks like it's for a seat cover, a cushion cover. So yeah, it's a square gray stool cushion. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and if you guys look, we finished that first box. I think that's Elvis's remnants at the bottom of the box. But we're gonna go ahead and switch out these boxes and get on to box number 4. All right. All right. My muscles are kind of killing me, but hey. On to box number 4. So again, it's 888 lots. I just kind of want to remind you guys, you know, the first time you purchase from them, they will do half off. So, you know, hey, if you want to order quite a few, get it at a good deal. Especially if you're new to this and haven't done it before. You can get some great prices. After your first order, if you're doing lots, they will, you know, you can negotiate the price, put in an offer. But we're going to go ahead and open up box number 4 on home and kitchen decor. So we do have a box full here. Looks like a lot of home stuff. So what is this? Curtain. So I got a purple curtain. Do you want me to open these? Purple curtain. Kind of nice, really. Oh, it's nice and soft and velvety. Feel it. All right, so it looks like a lot of decor stuff. So here, oh, I don't know. All right. Nope. What?
I believe a blanket. Just like a throw blanket. Or
No. It looks like it's a little, oh. So a pillowcase cover, like a little
throw pillow.
Yes, thank you. Throw pillow. Square throw pillow. So it looks like a lot of this in here is going to be, because if you can see, it's looks like a lot of that kind of stuff. So here we have a pack of 2 cushion covers, black and white. Oh, these are Mist Deep Forest. I don't know if that's a curtain. I got to show you this because this I actually really like. Looks like kind of one of our backdrops we do. Very pretty. A lot of, like, this is, you know, green is my favorite color, but oh, this is beautiful. It's black. I got to open it up. We will fold it over. Oh, I might have to keep this. Might have to keep this. Very pretty tapestry. Is that what we would call it? Tapestry. So I really like that. It's a very pretty one.
You'll see it in a future video.
Yep, I think we're going to be keeping that one. I think we might have a few tapestries here. So this is a luggage protector suitcase. So can't really see it. I'm going to have to pull some of these out. So I didn't know they had these. It's a dog luggage protector.
You gotta show me.
Oh, I'm sorry. It actually looks like a bodysuit. Like kind of weird. Like it's like a little bathing suit or something. But it doesn't have any arms because it is a luggage protector. Doesn't it look like a bodysuit though? I'm sorry. I know I'm crazy. But hey. So, luggage. Another luggage one. But it looks like it's another dog. But it looks like it is. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I love these. Bad Girl Police Department. It's even got a number. 23057. I'm going to just wear this. Somehow I'll cut little. Oh no, it kind of does have little side holes. This is so freaking cute. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Whew. I love those. Let's see what else we got. Let me know if you guys like those, or is it just me? So it looks like this might be another luggage, but I'm curious now since those ones gave me a chuckle. Got to see this one. Looks like it's just a plain pink one. Plain pink one. Although pink is a good color, but oh no. Oh no.
Oh.
This is more so of blow it up and relax. So yeah, kind of, although, oh, I guess that's to kind of hold up your head in place. The things they come up with, you never know. All right. So it looks like we have one more of those pillowcase covers. Your decorative pillows. Oh boy, that's a lot of this. So here we have a solid sheer scarf, one panel, curtain. That's a nice color. Oh, for all those little feather boa canopy for those little princesses to have over their beds. That's really cute. Why didn't I have one of those as a kid? Just kidding. I'm kidding. So it looks like this is, what is this? A curtain? 9x14. You want me to open this?
No.
It looks like it is a curtain though. One panel. So here we have a 500 thread count pillow protector, and it is a 2-pack. Fits queen size pillows. And they're white. We got two more of these square decorative pillowcase covers. I could probably use a few of those. Here we have some more. Oh, there's a few of these. So I'm not going to open these. So 4 more of these. Those headrests, blow-up headrests for traveling. Great for the kids because they always want a big pillow in the car, and they actually like those. So this is a chair cover, black and white, banquet and wedding, striped spandex. I'm not going to go ahead and open that. It is a chair cover. Here we have a valance, 72 by 22 inches by Park Designs. Okay, so this is another decorative throw pillow cover. I'm just going to show the back. You got little, it's blue and white. They're like a bluish greenish color, light blue. Another throw pillow cover case. It's like that. What color would you say that is? Like a kind of like a sea green, but a bluish sea green blue color. I don't know. I'm just making up colors. I'm still loving the. My favorite so far is those luggage covers. Oh, what is this? So here we have a luxury flannel cover, pillowcase cover again, decorative pillow throw. We got little gemstones, red, very velvety color. Oh gosh, stuck on colors. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of these. So this is a square tablecloth, dinner, wedding, and more. So I got a white tablecloth. These are packaged pretty nice. They're all in, what is this? So it feels like this is another 6 feet filled, yep, tablecloth, and it is black. You can see the black tablecloth. It's 6 feet long. Looks like we have another one of those 6 foot long black tablecloths. I'm not going to open everything because you obviously know it takes me longer to open everything. Something for wedding, and it's 35 inches. So this, I have no idea, so I'm going to have to open it. Drum roll, please. So we have like a tan color tablecloth cover. Looks like it's a smaller one, so it says 35 inches. It's kind of like crocheted. Making a lot of crinkle. Crinkle noise. All right. So this is a linen table runner. So you have different colors there, you know, pinks, red, blue, purple. So it looks like we have another tablecloth. This is more of like a, is this a tablecloth or is this a curtain? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm like all over the place. Nope, it looks like it's a curtain. So you have the green and white. Obviously, all the measurements will be on our websites. So here we have a luxury hotel quality curtain, navy blue, 72 by 72. By Hermosa Collection, waffle fabric. Oh, it's a shower curtain. It said curtain, but it's a shower curtain. Nice, pretty blue, light blue color. All right, so this is a linen round high spandex cover for Cocktail Highboy. So it's a table for 32 by 42 inches, blue, light blue. So we have a twin solid color fitted sheet, 100% cotton. These are what I use for my son's bed. No sweating, they keep you nice and warm and cool. And it looks like it's a navy blue color. All right, so this is another tablecloth, white, 36 centimeters by 220 centimeters. It's got like cute little like sequins circles, shiny. So here we have a shower curtain, 72 by 72. It's more of your beige color, tan, with little buttons on it. So this is a bassinet cover, mattress cover, waterproof quilted pad cover for a bassinet. What is this? All right. It is the world, I can see that much. Oh, so it is another throw pillow cover case, or pillowcase cover. Very cool. And it's really soft. Oh my, oh my. It looks like these are more throw pillowcase covers, but I could be wrong. Is that a curtain?
Or a table cover.
Oh, yeah.
Looks round.
Yeah, it is a tablecloth cover, a round one. Matches my shirt. All right. So it looks like these are more of the bassinet covers. Do they look like them?
Yep.
More mattress covers. Or here we have curtains. It's a 3-piece set, so you have the valance and the 2 curtains. Oh, I need replacements. There better be another one, because I need 2 of these for my kitchen, and that would match. Oh, looks like we have another. It looks like a tie-dye-ish looking one. We won't know till we see. Oh, it's so freaking soft. All right. Wow. So I'm not going to fully open this, but very pretty, nice colors. I don't know if it is a backdrop, but it's more like, I don't know, a velvety, but it could be used for that. Indian flower something. I don't know, we're loading up here though. On to the next. Oh. So we have an Indian tapestry. I'll go ahead and do it this way. So that's a really nice tapestry. Never know, you'll have to tune in and see which ones we keep. Especially, definitely that first one, wherever that was. Although I like that other one. I like all of them. All right. What is this? Curtain?
I think it's a pillow cover.
Oh. With like little
ruffles.
Ruffles. Very cute. White. Oh, we have a hippie, gypsy, bohemian collection, Indian ethnic traditional single bed size, but it is a tapestry wall hanger. Thank you. All right. I don't know what. Oh, this is another like a mat, like a cover, mattress cover. You can tell by the how thin it is. That one's a little thinner. This one is more of that fluffy bed cover, waterproof. The other one's just like a waterproof, but not a thinner one. Here is another pillowcase, a throw pillowcase cover. So here's another cover throw pillowcase, but this has like, it's a smaller one with gray or silver sequins on it. Another bad girl luggage. I'm not going to pull this one out. It had the little police department number on the bottom. Those are by so far my favorite from this box. And here's another throw pillowcase cover. And it looks like here is another one. And we're on the last item. So this, it looks like is another pillowcase cover, but let's see. Yeah. They're handsome. Hello there, handsome. And this says, "Good morning, gorgeous." Well, that's a good way to finish the box. So that was box number 4 from 888 Lots. You can see the box is empty. So again, we did $111 per box. You know, we appreciate you guys watching. You know, make sure to subscribe to our page, share to anybody that you may know that may be interested. Remember we want to get up to those 200 subscribers so we can start doing our giveaways. Once we start getting up higher, we're going to do some live sales. We've been doing a lot of live, you know, unboxings, and those are going to continue as well. You know, make sure to like and comment, and I hope to see you next time. Have a great day.